Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1966 Oldsmobile F85. Outstanding car, guys. My buddy Scott from Tennessee is the one who found me this car. Really pretty color combination. This is, it's code J. It's Forest Mist Metallic, which is a real deep dark green, and I'm glad we got some sunshine on it, because actually if you don't have the sun's not hitting it, it really looks black. But just a great car. Very nice. It's got a all pro built 455 cubic inch Holley Sniper electronic fuel injected 455 underneath the hood with a Muncie 4-speed. Neat car. Nice car. Hits the road outstanding. It's got the big front and rear sway bars on it, so the car really drives good, and man, do I like that color on that car. And it's factory. You just don't see the dark green on the colors really until the late 60s. So this is a rare color combo on this car. Chrome and stainless is nice. It's original. You can pick at it a little bit. Didn't really see much to really pick at in the paint. The paint's really nice. There was a couple of little touch-up marks in it, but it's nice and clean and flat. It's a pretty car. That is a slick color on here. Vinyl top's in great shape. You can see it's got the padded dash. Fun car to drive too, with that Holley electronic fuel injection. Four speeds, you can bang the gears. This car is just slick. I believe it's got all the original body panels on it. Again, you can see all this chrome is original. It's in great shape. Car's nice and flat down the sides. Got the Cragar SS's, which I really like. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. You can nitpick the chrome on this rear bumper. Again, it's original. Car's clean underneath. New fuel tank. Like I say, a lot I really like about this car, man. And the more I'm around this car, the more and more I like it. It's fun to drive. She's got a great look. It's really different. You don't see a bunch of these things. And it's really just an outstanding car. I like the Cragars on there, man. Period correct. Love the mirrors on these cars. Again, healthy 455, Holley electronic fuel injection kit in it. It's got an MSD Pro Billet distributor, Edelbrock intake. It's got headers, power steering, power brakes, Muncie 4-speed. It is a factory air car. They left the box on the dash there on the firewall, but the compressor's gone. Recent body up restoration. The bottom of the car is nice. They say the car's only got a couple thousand miles on it since it was restored. It's a good looking car, man. And again, something you don't see much of. You're not going to pull into a show and park next to 10 of them. A-pillar chrome's pretty doggone nice. Again, love these mirrors. I think those are super cool. Door handles are nice. When you see the door rubbers are nice. Look how clean the bottom of those doors are. And I love this interior. This is the F85 deluxe interior package in it. It's got a power bench seat. Look how nice the seat is. You can see the door jambs are nice and clean. Again, interior is really nice, really comfortable. Headliner's nice. Factory dash. It got some aftermarket Pro Comp gauges in there with a factory Hurst shifter. But again, it does have the factory dash, 30,228, what's on the odometer. They said there's about 2,000 miles on the resto. Again, Pro Comp tach and aftermarket gauges. Factory radios in the dash, in the glove box. It's got an aftermarket sound system in it. It's got all the deluxe seat belts. Dual exhaust. Again, big front and rear sway bars so the car handles well. It's a 10-bolt 323 limited slip rear end. So it's definitely something you can get on the highway on. Again, nice and clean in your jams. Original service manual, assembly manual, original carb. It's got the bias ply spare with the jack. It's all painted green in here, and it is nice and clean. Look at that. Pretty car. Again, love the color combo. New fuel tank under here. Again, the floors are nice and clean. Got some good pictures of the bottom of the car for you. Just a clean, straight, nice old Olds, man. And those doors are nice and clean. Jams are nice. Really cool interior. I dig the interior. Again, it's got an aftermarket radio in your glove box here. So they didn't cut up the dash or anything. Got the old short throw Hurst shifter. I love those mirrors, man. They're very cool. Again, A-pillar chrome's nice. Again, Holley electronic fuel injected 455. Plenty of power. It's just a really good car. Tach works, all your gauges working down there. I don't know if the voltmeter's working.
You got a voltmeter on there.
Oh, the volt. Oh, okay. That's your EFI voltmeters on there. Parking brake works. Taillights are cool. It's just a neat car. Good sound. Again, radio's in there. Does the blower motor work? They're flipped it on. I know that they don't have the AC hooked up. They might have the blower motor on. Blower motor does work, guys. Oh, there we go. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that, guys, by clicking the little button there at the bottom. I think there's a little touch-up mark. Yep, little touch-up mark, I remember there. Look at that car, man. That car is slick.